Welcome and thank you for joining us. Let's take a quick look at creating a snapshot in EP Data Warehouse for use with P6-Reporter. So I have my file in P6 and I'll do just one update, but just keep in mind you can put in as many updates as required. Now I'm just going to make the change required to this activity. And I want to reschedule, of course. So I've updated my project. Now, to manually create a snapshot, and keep in mind you can automate the snapshotting process if that works with your scheduling process. So to create one manually, all I have to do is go to the Projects tab. And there's a couple of columns I need to populate to tell the software some information. The first one is the snapshot period. So I need to indicate which snapshot period am I creating this for. And the other element I need to set is snapshot run. You'll see it's on pass. That's from the last snapshot. So I need to set this to go. Now, you don't have to remove this run message, but you can. I just find it makes it a little more visible if you're doing a number of different snapshots as to which ones have very recently completed. And now I usually just hit F5 and let the software create the snapshot. Now, once we've got the snapshot, that is the information that we will have a look at in one sample report in P6-Reporter. Keep in mind that once the snapshots are created, you can use them in a number of places in P6-Reporter. There's a number of report configurations. There is single reports that you can click and choose the different snapshots that you want to have a look at, depending on what you're looking to do with your reporting, of course. So once you get the snapshot run indicator of pass, and you can see it's repopulated the snapshot okay. Snapshot was successful. If there was any issues with creating the snapshot, you would get a message in this run message column that would give you some information to let you know what the actual problem was. So now let's go back to looking at the reports. So once I've got this particular snapshot created, this is one sample of possibilities. So I've got racetrack reports. I've got one from November and I've got one from October. So if I want to change this comparison, so it's not October, November, but November, December, I can easily do that now. But first of all, I did click F5, so I can go in. This is November. And now what I can do is change this one to December. So now I'm looking at November, December. So you can see this line through here beside contracting. That, of course, is the one that with this update was extended 2 months. So you can go in and you can immediately that the snapshots are created, you can go in, refresh your reports, and you can pull the information to a number of different reports. If you have any questions or are interested in looking further at some of the P6-Reporter reports, please feel free to reach out to either Donna or myself. The contact information is on the screen. Thank you so much for joining us.